Good morning, student. Welcome all of you in our English class. As you already well acquainted that the topic advertisement is going on in our class, we have completed a couple of questions related for sale for purchase under property. You want to hire anything to let out your house. You want a house on rent. You want to buy a house or any shop or any other plot, farmhouse, farmland, any property. So for this the same thing is there, only beginning beginning differs. So what is different? If you want to purchase anything, so you would write in a box the first initial word, and that is want. Want or wanted. And what you want to purchase, you will write here. What you want to get on rent, so you will write here. So rest all the characteristics you will write here. You will write the contents, everything is same. As far as for sale is concerned, so here you will write, change only one word, that is available. One word you have to change and rest of the features. So what you want and what you have, the characteristics for the particular product or the thing, you have to highlight. Only one initial word there is need to be changed. So today we have to do under for sale for purchase only vehicle, and it's very simple. So I would suggest you a few value point that will be helpful for you to write any vehicle, whether it's bike, car, jeep, four-wheeler, any type of six-wheeler, whatever you want to buy, whatever you want to sell, just write a few point. Just you have to change one word, that is the name of the vehicle. Except the name of the vehicle, you will write all the thing same for any vehicle. So let me tell you that how you have to do. I have written here value point, whether it's for sale or for purchase, for any vehicle, car, jeep, six-wheeler, 10-wheeler, 22-wheelers. So you just have to change one word according to the title. If it's for sale, you will write available. You want to sell anything, it means you have that vehicle, and you will write in the beginning available, means the thing is available with you. So in box, while drawing a box, so you will write the first word available, and rest the features that I would tell you right now, so you will mention here. And if you want to purchase any vehicle, you want to purchase, so in place of available you will write wanted. This is the difference. In the same way as in property, same in vehicle. So let me begin with the first thing, that is brand. So what you have with you, what is available, so what you want, so brand. Brand means any brand. I will write BMW, my favorite brand. You may write any Maruti Suzuki or any others, any brand. According to the question you will mention here, and if in question it's not given, so you can write any name fictitiously. Brand, after brand, model. Model means the year of manufacturing, 2016, 2020, the year with month. And condition, is it in good working condition, untouched, Accident free means it's really untouched, unscratched. And color, it's pearl white color, silky silvery color, what type of color your vehicle has. And the condition like the seat covers, headlamp, tail lamp, the tires, battery, and all the things, and the working condition of engine, and mileage, kilometer per hour, what the consumption of the petrol or the diesel according to the version that the vehicle has. And the ownership means it's one hand driven, means since the manufacturing the one person, so who has been using for all the years, or is it changeable. So to highlight it in a good way, so you can write, so that it can be solved easily. You can write ownership means the one hand driven or lady driven, doctor driven, because they do not have to move very far away. If a businessman is there, so he's moving his vehicle, so he doesn't know that where he has to go, he has to go miles away. But doctor or others are concerned, so they just go nearby places. Reason for selling, if you have brand new good vehicles, all the things available there, so why you are selling your vehicle. So reason means you are shifting somewhere, you want to get the other brand car or any other thing. So any reason you can mention just as a formality. And next you will write here contact. But while writing any advertisement, so let me highlight only one point here. One point, so you would write continuously. If you are writing here anything, you are writing your contact, name of the city, mobile number. So you would write here continuously. Do not drop any line. Do not make any space, because it's advertisement and it's you have to pay for it. And any other feature according to your own knowledge you can write, but mind 50 word, do not exceed the word limit. So you can write new seat cover, tubeless tire, AC heater, and good music system with LED screen, power window, power steering, key lock, alloy wheels, airbags, ABS, means fog lamp, any type of features, so you can add. But you have to write all the things that are necessary for the buyer or for the purchaser, and you have, at the same time you have to take care of the word limit. Give all the information and do not exceed the word limit. Thanks a lot.